So my name is Alex. I work on a couple of projects. One of the bigger ones is EWASM, or Ethereum Flavored WebAssembly. And we are trying to, so right now you have EVM, which is the virtual machine in Ethereum, and we are researching a way to replace that with something else.
Okay.
Our choice right now is WebAssembly, and we are amending or extending, augmenting WebAssembly to fully fit into Ethereum. We have a quite big team for that. It's kind of a multidisciplinary project because it involves VM changes, like a new VM, which has to be integrated with clients. Each of the clients have their own versions, own languages. You need to support new languages for WebAssembly. You do get like C, C++, all the big languages which compile to it, but at the same time we want to keep compatibility with Solidity, so we need to improve Solidity. So it can compile to WebAssembly. And then you have a couple of other background tasks, which are really interesting. I don't want to go deep into them. I just put it here as a metering contract. People are going to be able to find that online. So that's, again, in a different language. It has to go onto the network. It's quite exciting. And we hope that we're going to have a public testnet in a reasonable time frame. I won't say
can't make any
anything
promises,
else.
but
no.
That's really cool. Awesome. So what kind of problems do you like to solve?
Well, basically this has been going on for a while.
Yeah.
And people had the impression that it's more like a scalability solution, but actually it probably isn't.
Okay.
It's more like a solution to clean up the current architecture and make the current architecture a bit more flexible.
Okay, cool.
So it's supposed to be a much better foundation for further research and further developments.
Great.
And we also want to extend, that's another big benefit, we would like to extend the number of languages to be supported within the Ethereum ecosystem.
Great. Speaking of the Ethereum ecosystem, at Chronologic we partnered with Piper Merriam of the Ethereum Foundation for the Ethereum alarm clock. We really wanted to be part of the whole ecosystem to schedule future payments, future scheduled smart contracts. Do you have any thoughts about that?
I seen the alarm clock, I guess, 2 years ago.
Great.
When it was probably in a different state.
Yes.
I didn't even know it still existed. And honestly, I don't know what Chronologic does and how to use the alarm clock. But I did like it as a solution back then.
Great.
And I do think it's important to have ways to schedule events. Mm-hmm. It may happen in the future that the network itself will be able to do that.
Yeah, oh, for sure.
Without external inputs.
Yeah, I think that would be great if, Ethereum can solve this problem. Yeah. Okay, so where can people go to learn more about what you're working on?
They can go to github.com/ewasm, which is EWASM.
Perfect.
And they're going to find everything there.
Awesome. Thank you for speaking to us, and thank you for being a speaker at the conference.
Thank you.